So Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. In this video I am going to tell you that how to make Instagram story through Canva. It is our number 4 tutorial of Canva or number 5, I don't know. So in this video we have to hit just 60 likes. So our aim is 60 likes. So first of all subscribe our channel and like our video. So let's go to topic. So open first of all Canva, search for Instagram story. Instagram story. Okay, search it. Here many type of Instagram stories appears. One is paid, one is free. So here I want to make Instagram story through telling that I have YouTube channel and subscribe our YouTube channel. So here you see and like which you like, click on it. So I like this type of Instagram story. So click on it. Here it is telling that he is streaming, but I am telling you that I have YouTube channel. So click on it and then type subscribe to YouTube Gaming YT. Here click on it and sorry, click on it and here most valuable player. I am tapping that most valuable YouTuber. Okay, here 8 p.m. it is our Gmail. So my Gmail is Arham Ori 602. Okay, at the rate gmail.com. Okay, join now. Here I type subscribe now. Subscribe now. Okay, here 8 p.m. So I have typed what to type, what I have to type. Okay, I get it. So I have typed here new video released. I see it better, so I type it. So here our Gmail section I need to bigger, but it is not showing the option. So okay. Oh no. Okay, it's better. So click on download button and here your image is downloading. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Don't forget that our aim is just hit 6, not 60, just 55. So thanks for watching and here our Instagram story has been saved on gallery.